Yeah, for selling now. For sell for achieve. For earn money. You realize?
Ensure.
It's better to succeed than to it, boss.
Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'll be doing walking around naked to get my aunt's reaction. So I have on my face, let me show you. Okay, so it's true natural coconut shell charcoal soap. Yeah, I let it sit on my face, and I always use, before I get into this, just telling y'all, I always use honey and turmeric on my face, or I use charcoal. That's the only thing I use on my face. Honestly, I'm not trying nothing else. I'm not trying nothing else because I realize these are working. So normally I just put it on my face before I bathe. So as I said, bathe my fair bathe right now, and the thought just come to mind. As you can see, I am yeah. Let's get into this. It's kind of dark, but she is outside right now, and I wait for her to come in. So in the meantime, while we wait, follow me on Instagram at DEKIBOO_87_. Not only on Instagram, also follow me on TikTok, the same name, DEKIBOO_87_, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This one, if you're new, and subscribe to my motivational channel, Dekiboo Motivations with a Z, and Dekiboo Reacts. Yeah, but the channel links will be in the description box below. I want it up now because it's dry out. Yeah. Look how good girl face glowing. Talk true, guys. Man, cute. Guys, the way I'm cute, I have base self-confidence, and nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody can tell me otherwise. That's too much. But it's woman, man. I'm gonna wait for her. The next time, never did it. Drop the towel one for see. By the way, oh, she react, she have a friend, but she walk around every day naked, so this might be the norm for her to see me naked. Right now, watering her plants. Oh, then I can't go up on the veranda naked and see what she gonna do. No, nobody see me. If they didn't come in my house, gonna rape me. I could just wait here, darlings. Shake what your mama gave you. Shake what your mama gave you. Oh, booty so big. Lord have mercy. Look at what? Yo, how long should I take for that? Yo, guys, I'm gonna pause the video. Not for pause it. Oh, can't wait. Can't wait no longer. Can I pause it? I'll come back. They're coming now. Here she locked the grill. See, let's do this. Can't make sure you realize I have a video either. So I'm just have my phone. Like this for me. Hey boo!
Daddy? Made it out with Irish and piece of chicken.
Alright.
I'm sexy, that. Rotted! Jesus Christ! Ha! Look at this there, Jesus. What a prank. My stepbrother come here to put on to him. God help me, dear Jesus. Epic feel.
You are a failure. You are such a failure. Look at you. All I can see is failure. You are a failure. Hey.
Look on the weed digger. A weed and that.
Yeah.
Dig out in the hand, Mega.
You want some?
Nah.
Can't eat. That weed that make me high, extra high.
Ah.
You vitamin.
This higher than the high grade.
You tell my new very much new friend.
This is when I make my brain twist up like the cloud. Higher than the satellite.
Pomegranate. That's what they call it.
Yeah, but we say ponganat.
Pomegranate.
They call it what?
Whatever them call it.
Sitting another. We say ponganat.
Can't manage to none of this waste. Everything
Not even one seed.
Wanna swallow the seed? Ah! True they do it. So they swallow any seed. They love to swallow the seed.
It's better to succeed than to eat balls.
Jesus Christ. Watch them.
Don't ramp with me. No me ever come back for everything, so you don't.
Okay guys, we're selling panganata and we're selling a joke, we're not selling nothing.
You love sell.
Yeah. Yeah, for selling now. Sell for achieve.
Yeah,
for earn money. You realize?
Ensure.
Boy. Me tell you.
Ensure not
Not your waist skin, let me know you can hold the skin.
No, sir.
I'm
I'm not go without you.
The skin. Don't show with the skin. Oil it as tea. Good for your
Yeah,
nerves.
it's nice too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy used to make it. She used to dry it first.
That
though.
good when I put her, when I make her roots.
Yeah.
Put it in nice. Already young people and I'm going to oh.
Lord. Oh,
That's the
I'm
next time I say make a bitch.
I poopy, I go poopy next time,
Oh,
so I'm
yeah,
not
you
bother.
So what I tell you, say you have to back up.
Back up.
Back up.
Yeah. Fruit of life. Them say, eat what you grow.
Girl, what you eat? Don't succeed.
We know. We succeed. We just go to bar. We eat. Hallelujah.
Chop that chocolate. I wear that a little
Mama
cheddar
shy.
So them can show this and they grow on my back.
Yes.
Your back, yeah, on your back.
What I did?
The seed.
Panganar.
Yeah, man.
That would be crazy. If Mr. Melo front card and I love catching. So guys, you spoil the video, so I'll never do this. So her. Yeah, sleep stay inside tonight. Let me tell you to play it back your plate. You like it?
Take time, I got you see.
No. Come.
What's that video gone? Make it.
You like it?
No.
Look at crosses. Sure.
Right.
Them crap. Yo, me not like kuno. Come out of my life.
Are you in our life now? Come with the day I eat.
Sure.
No, we're cancelled. We're cancelled.
When I eat.
We're cancelled.
This is all 2 family members spoil their video.
Yeah, Lordy.
So the video is all about them right now.
Which is right.
Eating them panganut grain. Them seeds.
Yeah.
Fix up the argument.
She succeeds in them. Not sure she
Yeah, we
succeeds.
don't look about succeed in life.
I can't believe this star.
I am a woman. I can't give you the direction that I wanted. Yes, I would be a little bit stunned, but not to the point of
Yeah, a couple prank. Why may I try it by you?
Come in a baby.
Ah!
I'm a woman. Sure. If it was a man, no. But I just say, it's like I'm a purse. But you can't do them prank, then get nothing more than when you get.
Teeny, come let me show you something, babes. Look
I
up.
say, Akeem,
Look up, Teeny. Look up.
she a video with cat what
Look
you
up.
clean off your body. Better than what cat do.
Where cat do?
Cover up your body.
Literally. That cat here.
Just do so.
It just take him look at time, spread out him hand.
Spread out him hand and
I just
so.
cover it up.
You think I do? Let me see video.
Yeah, man. Love them girl and clean up the thing for the girl and call me to the girl them in one John or star. Take the time and clean it up with all the way they saw it a come up. Just wait, man, back road. Wait, so it and a year time yet. Too fast, done.
My cat them something else here.
Trudy and cat.
I might post it.
How much longer not to eat so far?
4.
4?
So, me have to plant it round and close to the canal.
Mine granny say no. So you plant 3.
I have 3 that me have plant.
Then I tree my plants. Yeah, go like say something else in my plants.
Me have sweet sap. What else?
Forward, forward.
Guinea and weed. What else?
You know the vervine.
No, me not no bread.
I'm gonna bed.
One piece of vervine.
Thank you for cooperating even though you didn't do well. Yes.
Move again.
And thank you for not wanting my body.
Till I tell you. If it was like
I tell my coworker say me gay today. I tell one of my coworkers say me gay today.
I would only want
And
them
she's
for that
like,
moment.
for the moment?
Yeah.
If I me?
That moment, no, I'm mine. After the moment, then you have to leave. When I need to see and hear back from him. Yeah, that's good enough.
Why me I do it prank? Me I say like God, why me I do it prank Trudy? And Trudy she made it naked every day and she walk around naked every day. So, enough feels that.
But you should have didn't know that.
Anyways, guys, thanks for vibing with me. So me here a pop earth. Yeah, I'm gonna be in my good body and make
I'm
another.
telling people them lies.
I'm going to bed. My good body, my good up, clean skin body went through there once.
You can't come here and have me naked. Oh.
So I'll see y'all in the next video.